Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun and quick video for you guys. I went to my P.O. Box the other day, 3 weeks ago, and now we are finally opening them up. So let's go ahead and open up this first one. Cute top. It's a cute little lavender top. Very, very cute, very lacy and soft. Ooh, and it's kind of shiny too. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. What do you think? I think that is gonna look super, super cute. I will definitely be wearing that for my OF. It didn't say who it's from, but I have an idea who it's from, so thank you. Next package, we're gonna go ahead and open up this one. Ooh! Uh-oh. I hope I did not just cut that. Oh! Look at the little pink bow! I love it. I love that little bow. All right. Ooh. Oh, wow. Like a lot of string. Okay. Okay, I get it. It goes this way. So this is the front, this is the bottom. And then this is for the back. So it goes up and it kind of goes around the waist like that. And then that goes up. I did it, I figured it out. Wow, that's super hot. Ooh, yes. So this will definitely be on my OF. And the top, which is totally gonna fit the girls. So it's kind of like that, it goes like that, if you can picture that. Ties up here. Ooh. I have not received a micro bikini type outfit in quite a while, so I'm super stoked for this. I love it, thank you. I'm starting to sense like a purple theme here, so I wonder if that was intentional. Last video, the theme of it was like blue with a little bit of burgundy. So I think this time around, definitely with the purple. Ooh. Okay. Jet Joy. Let's see. Oh. Okay, this is like a little scrunchie. That's cute. Ooh, is this another little workout outfit? I love these. Oh my gosh, it is. I love this color. Wow, it's like a baby blue. So here's like the top. I think that'll fit. Oh yeah, that'll definitely fit. Cute, and then the leggings for the bottom. Ooh, those are cute. I love that. Ooh, and it's super soft. Yes. I love these. I have like 3 of these now. So I am definitely gonna be set for the fall. All right, and our last one here. And open her up. No! No way! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I love presents! Okay, we'll start with this white one here. A very new and rare color for me. I don't wear a lot of white. Oh wow. Ooh. Don't laugh at my outfit. I wasn't expecting to like show my lower half in this video. Here we go. All right. very pretty. You know, my little swimsuits or like a sexy little lingerie piece, you know, for videos and whatnot, or even just, you know, this is cute. I love this. It's so soft. Some lace fabrics, they're like really coarse and scratchy, but this is very soft. Pretty. It's so pretty. I feel just gorgeous in this. All right. Next, ooh, we have another Avid Love. I did receive a couple of pieces from this brand. Oh my gosh. Oh, they kill it with this fabric. Oh, you can feel the quality. It's so soft. Gosh. Is this another robe? It is. Okay, here are the bottoms. That's thoughtful. They came with little, yeah, it goes this way. Little bottoms and a nice little tie. Very pretty, very soft. And of course, the little bottoms. Cute. I love it. I love this. That is gonna make for some great content. All right, and then we have, this one has a scrunchie too. I love these little guys. Ooh, I like that material. Ooh, very soft. The black stretchy leggings. Yes, we need that to stretch. Especially, you know, since COVID. Got those COVID pounds. And then the top. Very cute. Very cute. Perfect. All right, you guys, that is everything from my P.O. Box visit 3 weeks ago. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see me try these on, 18 up only please, over on my OF. I will see you later, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day today. And as usual, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys later.